What up, guys? I just want to do a quick, POV of my drive home. I don't have that GoPro like headset thing, so best thing I can do right now is just use the little mount that I have on my dash for the camera. And then I'm just gonna show you guys just my way home. And on my way home, I have a couple of areas where I like to do some pulls. So right here where I'm at right now, nice open street, no cars, but a car in front of me, car behind me, but I'll go ahead and just do a quick pull real quick. And I'm not gonna try and talk too much throughout this. I just want to show you, or tell you about, what my favorite spots are. So back there, that whole road, and then coming up this road too is kind of a residential, kind of a, I don't know how to describe this, because you have houses on one side, you have buildings on the left, so it's mostly, no traffic usually, but right now I got two cars in front of me, another one on the left side, some dude just crossed the road. But if any of you are familiar, especially the SoCal area, that 15 freeway, when you're going up the Cajon Pass, there's the Cajon Boulevard. This time of night, 5 in the morning and earlier, little to no traffic, so perfect spots to do pulls, nice and safe, no heavy traffic, so I don't have to worry about pedestrians, other cars, or anything of the sort. So okay, so that guy just passed me, so I'll do another quick pull. If I already mentioned it, but I'll just cut the video down to just the pulls part, or I'll just keep the whole ride along, depending on if I feel like editing that much of the video or not, or just keep this POV slash commentary, or POV commentary. So I don't know if the camera picks it up, but this is a whole long straight road. And yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, usually there isn't, for me, this is quite a few cars, oncoming traffic at least. There's quite a few cars. I've never really seen that many on the way home, so that kind of sucks. So maybe we'll see how good this video is. I might post it just for the pulls. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the little Cajon Boulevard spots that I hit up. And then if you know any good like spots in Southern California, let me know. I want to get, you know, I want to do like photo shoots and like rolling videos of me on like long roads, like at night, you know, some during the day if they're vacant. I don't want to, you know, be that guy that, you know, causes problems on the road trying to get, you know, his rolling shots, or, you know, just some stills and whatnot. Because I've seen people on the freeway, you know, slow down traffic just to get their rollers, you know, those rolling shots and whatnot. And I don't want to be that guy, but I do want some, you know, get some rolling shots, because eventually I do want to create an intro and, you know, just, you know, some rolling shots, some stills, you know, whatever I can do to make a good intro, outro, whatever.